Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Cafe. Today's common phrase of the day is a little weird. It's kind of funny and old fashioned. It's around the bend. The phrase around the bend is an informal way to say that someone is acting crazy, confused, or a bit mentally unstable. It's often used in a humorous or exaggerated way. It can also mean that something is just about to happen or appear. It's coming up around a curve or a corner. But most commonly, it refers to someone not thinking clearly. So look at these sentences here. After staying up all night studying, I felt like I was going around the bend. I felt like I was losing my mind from tiredness. If I have to listen to that song one more time, I'll go around the bend. The song is driving me crazy. Number 3, she's been working nonstop without a break. She might go around the bend soon. She's getting really stressed and might mentally break down. So this is a playful, common phrase. You may not hear it very often these days, but I can guarantee you will hear it at some point, especially if you're watching a movie in a certain part of the United States, a certain group of people, maybe they're older. So try to listen for it and try to use it in a sentence. It's very fun. So thank you guys. Please like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.